the reality. Anyway, I'm thankful that I reached on that age. So now it's already June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh, still long time. I will add my age on March. So I still have time. Thank you, Kev. Pramod, 5 minutes and it will be 8 o'clock there. You should take your breakfast. And Kevin also will take his dinner. Thank you so much, guys. Mylene is preparing for her breakfast also. She's still there, but she's preparing her breakfast. Oh, okay. Sorry. I thought it's already almost 8 o'clock. Maybe because we are small creator in this world, Kev. We are small, but on my case, I am just dwarf, but I'm fat. Anyway, it's so hard to lose weight. MD Russell, thank you so much. Yeah, that's life. Anyway, wherever we came from, we are all humans. We are all the same. It's okay, even we are small, but we are big on heart. Yes, we are all the same. Hmm. What is that? By it got retracted. I cannot read it anymore. Yes, I am. I'm trying to lose weight, but it's really so hard. But life also is really different. My life here is really different than Philippines. Philippines, we have a lot of activities. Roaming in the farm, going here and there. So it's also a way of having exercise. But here, my life here is only work, home, that's it. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. I will off now.